Hey, today I'm gonna be taking you through something exciting that I'm gonna be piloting or starting called Miss V's Netflix special. And so basically, I am going to be having this Netflix special as a way for us to connect, as I miss you guys, and I'm sure that you guys miss school and more importantly each other. So every other week, actually not each week, we'll watch a show as a class, and this will be as quote-unquote homework, because I know that you guys are watching plenty of TV on your own anyways, and basically each Thursday we'll have a chance to discuss and connect about the show, and then we can just have it as more, not only a way that we can connect about the show, but also a way to just connect with each other. So why we're doing this is because you guys are currently writing research papers on topics that are relevant to you, and the work, or not the work, the shows that we'll watch are also relevant to different issues that our society currently faces. And it will not only be a way for us to analyze and discuss the shows, but also to connect with your peers. So we're first gonna watch When They See Us. You are gonna just take part in little reflections in the Google form based on the show, but I would like you to just watch this week on Netflix. And if you have any suggestions, fill out the form. I chose When They See Us because you guys voted this the most, and then after this we'll continue to have votes about what we want to see. And so I just want to show you a couple different things. So if you go on to the landing page and you click on Community, you'll see that here it says Miss V's Netflix special, and you can go back to this slideshow that I just showed you. But if you would like to tune in for Miss V's Netflix special, then you can click on this link and it will bring you there every Thursday at 4 p.m. And a final plug for this is that it will count as a habit grade for you to communicate with me if you come to the Netflix special. So if you just want to come and talk about the show, then that will be included as a habit grade portion. Finally, speaking of habit grades, if you go to the research outline and, sorry, I'm going to just use Ashley's really quick. If you go to the research outline here, it also says on page 2, under materials, the habit tracker. I'm also going to put this on a landing page actually right now. And so when you click on the habit tracker, so it's now on the landing page, you can click on it and sorry, it's taking a minute to load, but you can go to the habit tracker and click your name. For example, it has Victor's up right now, but you can click your name and type your name here, and then it'll show you what your habit grade is for that week. So for example, sorry to put you on the spot, Victor, but he did his work both days and then he contacted me, therefore his habit grade was 100. But if you are missing the contact and you have not yet contacted me, you can either contact me or you can come to the Miss V's Netflix special. And just a reminder, this is just really a way for us to connect and have fun. The Netflix special is not graded for content, but just for your participation. So come and enjoy so that we can do something fun together. If you have any questions, please let me know.